Hi friends, it's Megan with the Morphic Field. Stop what you're doing for the next 4 minutes. Tune into the Morphic Field. You're going to receive a frequency activation working with healing angels. So we're now tuning to the Morphic Field, channeling the energy, information, frequency, vibration of the universe. Let's get present to you in this present moment. So channeling the energy and information of you now. Noticing what you're noticing. How do you experience you? What thoughts are with you? Emotions? Giving yourself more space to experience yourself, being more aware, more conscious of how it feels to be in your body. Now noticing how the earth underneath you is supporting you, feeling grounded, connected to the earth. Feel this energy exchange with the earth, feeling even more grounded, more connected. Noticing now our chakras, our energy systems, opening up your heart space, opening up your third eye, sparking your pineal gland, opening up your crown chakra and the space above your head. In this space, connecting directly to source, to the divine, restoring your connection to the divinity, feeling the spark within you, your higher self, your true essence coming through, remembering who you are as soul in human form, allowing yourself to come alive, to fully integrate, connected to the divine. Let's ask our healing angels to make themselves known, tuning to the frequency of healing angels. You may be feeling a sense of lightness, buzzing. What do you see? What do you feel? Allowing your body to receive this information of this frequency, the frequency of healing angels, the frequency of the divine, deepening your relationship to these healing angels who are supporting you for your highest good. See if there are any messages from the healing angels to you. Let's ask our healing angels to support us in a healing right now. So releasing that which is no longer serving you. You don't have to know exactly what it is. It can feel like an energy release, letting go of old thought patterns, beliefs, systems, structures that are no longer serving you. Feel yourself taking those off of you, releasing, letting go, clearing, cleaning. Perhaps you're feeling it going through your feet to the earth to be recycled or lifted from you through your crown chakra. So noticing how the healing angels are supporting you in this releasing and this healing, and you're also supporting yourself. You are doing the work. You are healer. Continue to release and let go. In this space, in this clearing that you've created, we are going to place in blessings and gifts. So let's receive blessings and gifts, noticing what's showing up for you. Some of you, your ancestors are showing up. So being aware, being present of the resources that your ancestors have passed down to you that are enlivened within you. So sparking those resources within you now, receiving them fully, sparking the gifts within you, your abilities, your talents, allowing your true essence to come through, remembering your purpose and mission here, what lessons you're here to learn, allowing your divine spark to be even brighter, louder, clearer, stronger. See what other gifts and blessings are here for you to receive. Some of you are receiving downloads right now. These healing angels are assisting you with that. Continuing to let go of lower frequency vibrations and tuning you into this frequency activation of higher frequencies. Take a moment to fully receive in your heart space these blessings and gifts that have been enlivened within you. The answers are all within. See if there are any last messages from healing angels, from your spirit team, your higher self, your ancestors to you. Be open to receive, and we'll complete here. Thank you for watching this video and for doing the work. When you do this healing and transformational work, you're not only serving yourself, you are serving your family, your ancestors, us all. Some of you may have had difficulty releasing or letting go or receiving these gifts and blessings. If you'd like to learn more about how we can get to the origin, about what's holding you back in life, visit my website, themorphicfield.com. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you'd like to stay connected to the Morphic Field.